What up, E-heads? Way outside, beautiful sunny day, and we're on this beautiful green machine. Look at this thing. Look at the green sparkle in the sun. We're on the KBO K1, and this bike is very interesting for a few reasons. We're gonna find a parking lot and we're gonna get into detail. Dude, that thing's beautiful. Oh, what a bus. All right, we're over here in the beautiful Hyde Park. We're going to talk to you about this extremely affordable foldable e-bike, the KBO K1. First off, look at how beautiful this green is. And this rack can carry my charger and my tripod that I'm about to use. But yeah, KBO hit me up. We've worked with them in the past. They sent us a Tornado. It was a great bike, great for the trails, and great for getting outside and getting exercise. But this one is, guess. I want you to guess the price before I say it. This thing is $699 with free shipping. That's cheaper than a BMX bike with no motor. The 48 volt 10.4 amp hour lithium battery from LG gives this bike a range of up to 45 miles. It has a 500 watt hub motor capable of speeds up to 20 miles an hour. It has 20 by 3 inch fat tires, which is great for on and off-road use, and a payload capacity of up to 280 pounds, and has a charge time of 4 to 6 hours. The bike weighs 48 pounds, it's 35 inches long and 28 inches high. It has a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, which makes climbing hills extremely easy. This bike has a latching mechanism, which allows it to easily fold in half and become much more compact. Click the link below to pick up your KBO K1 today and use promo code LOOPHOLE at checkout to get a discount.